I often get asked which robot vacuums I would recommend. My name is Jamie Andrews, and I have reviewed dozens of robot vacuums on my channel over the past 4 years. Today I'm going to show you my top picks from 3 different budget categories and go over my likes and dislikes. I have reviewed each of these robots on my channel, so for more in-depth information including tests, features, and specs, be sure to click on the links to the reviews in the description below after watching this video. Our first category is the budget level, coming in at under $500, and my pick is the Dreamy D10S. It's a full-featured robot vacuum and mop with object avoidance and an auto-empty dock. When it comes to vacuuming and object avoidance, the D10S performs better than some robots twice its price tag. Not to mention it also has above average object avoidance with the ability to remote view the camera. This is very helpful for checking on your pets while you're away from the house. The dock with the larger than industry average 4-liter dust bag also performs quite well at emptying the internal contents of the robot's dustbin. As for the things I don't like, the biggest is the overall mopping experience. If you don't care about mopping, then that won't be that big of a deal, or if you have a really small apartment or home, then the D10S might suit your mopping needs. Otherwise, then mopping performance is below average due to the small, oddly shaped mopping pad, which also can be a pain to deal with. Our next category is the mid-tier level, coming in at under $1,000, and my pick is the Roborock Q-Revo. The Roborock Q-Revo might just be Roborock's new bestseller, and there's a very good reason, as it is a full-feature robot vacuum with an impressive dock that can empty, wash, dry, and prior to 2023, you would have had to fork out well over $1,000 for all of these features in a robot vacuum. It excels in both vacuuming and mopping, performing well above average in my testing, and has a well-designed dock that does a good job cleaning and drying the mopping pads. Plus, with the fully removable and enclosed dock tray, it is also very easy to keep the dock clean. Roborock is known to have the very best app and navigation on the market thanks to frequent software and firmware updates that make this a rock-solid choice for many homes. As for the things I don't like, I'd have to say the biggest drawback is going to be the fact that Roborock equipped it with a very basic, maybe too basic, object avoidance system, which performs well below average in my testing, and even worse than my prior budget pick, the Dreamy D10S. I've also heard that people with multiple long-haired pets experience issues with getting hair clogs in the robot and dock. Before I move on to our final category, I want to give an honorable mention to the Dreamy L10S Ultra for the sub $1,000 category. I'll leave a link in the description below for a comparison I did between it and the Q-Revo, which were fairly close. It is worth a look. The last category is the top tier level, coming in at under $1,500, and my pick is the Dreamy L20 Ultra. There are a lot of things to like about the L20 Ultra. It does everything the Q-Revo does, plus it has the ability to completely remove its mopping pads automatically so your carpets don't get wet. It also has a swing-out mopping pad to get closer to your baseboards and furniture, plus detergent injection. Detergent injection takes the guesswork out of pre-mixing detergent, plus it allows you to dump out the old water and add warm water in the tanks in the dock before each mopping job without having to waste detergent. As far as performance goes, the L20 performed very well in all of my tests, including the object avoidance test, where it performed better than in any robot that I have tested to date. As for the things I don't like, one negative is the fact that you have to clean inside the dock, since the dock tray is not one solid piece like the Q-Revo. Also, when I first reviewed the L20 Ultra, I noticed some weird navigation issues, which I am pleased to say they have been fixed through recent firmware updates. Well, there you have it, my top picks from 3 different budget levels. Links to their full reviews are in the description along with links to purchase, which do help support my efforts to bring you in-depth and honest robot vacuum reviews. If you've not already, go ahead and subscribe and smash that like button. Okay, take it easy, everyone. Bye-bye.